Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another watercolor video. Um, Today we're going to be working again with our Schmincke colors. I've got a couple of new brushes here. These are, I think it's pronounced Hake brushes. They hold a lot of water. You can see they're kind of fun. And they're good for making washes. We're working with that one today. And it also has some granulation medium that we're going to play with as well. So let's get started. Start off with, I want to divide this into thirds here. I'm going to want to come up and bring up this a little bit. This is going to be our sky, and then we'll do something down here, maybe like that. And I really like the way that the wax pencil crayons are working. So this is the Neocolor I white in wax. Let's just do another line through here. I know you guys can't see this, and I can barely see it. This is just going to act as a resist to the watercolor. So wherever there's wax, you're not going to be able to put color down over it, which is kind of an interesting thing. But it might be kind of fun to play with today again. I'm going to make this one a little thicker. Okay. I'm going to start off with the haze pink. So I got my Hakey brush all loaded up. And I'm just going to put down some water in spots. Okay. Let's put down a little bit of this haze pink again, because I thought that turned out really lovely. What I've learned is that when making these washes, you need to use a lot of paint. So I feel like I just want to kind of bring it through here. Use more of it than I did the last time. And then I also want to come in with some blue, and you can see that's already starting to change color a little bit. Let's come in with the haze indigo. I'm just going to put some of that through here as well. And kind of let it do its thing. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of this. This is the orange color from the Desert Schmincke set. Just to add a little bit of different color through there. And I'm going to come in with a little bit, just a little damp brush. I'm just going to take away some of this a little bit. Kind of make our cloud forms a little bit more dramatic. Spread this out a little bit. Okay. I'm coming with a little bit of the raw umber. You can see where we made that line through there. And then I'm going to kind of come down through this way as well. Actually, let's bring it down through here. This is where we put the granulating or the marks down. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put the granulating. Ooh, that's a fun mark. Look at that. That turned out great. I like that. I think I want a darker color down here. Okay, this is the desert green, and I mixed a little bit of this color in with it. And I kind of just want to bring it through here. We're going to, I kind of want to bring it up here a little bit and make it come down. Let's try out that granulating fluid. Well, this is already a granulating color, but let's see how it works. Okay, I've got a little bit of this granulating medium here. Let's just put it in there and see what it does. I don't know what it's supposed to, I mean, it's supposed to make it grainy, I think. Maybe we need more. Maybe we need more paint. I don't know. I feel like it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Ooh, that's a nice color. Maybe I put too much on. Ooh, I like that. Let's add a little bit more. Do I want to put some down here? I don't know. I kind of just like it like right through here. You can see some color separation here in the blue and the green with this desert color. It is part of one of the reasons why we love the Schmincke granulating colors. It's going to give us some really fun shades of green through there. Do I want to carry it up there? I think I might just want to do a little bit through here. I'm going to come back in and add some marks maybe. Kind of trying to find these areas just a little bit. Oh, this color is so pretty. Do some lines through here. Okay, we're going to let all of this dry. We'll come back and see what we get. Okay, I'm going to come in a little bit more with the raw sienna through here. I just kind of want to add a little bit of texture and contrast in this area right through here. Maybe. So I think that's a really beautiful color. And then I kind of want to just get a little bit wetter here. Kind of want to just make another mark through here to kind of continue what we've already got going on. So I got out my Derwent line and wash set. I'm going to add a little bit more of this port just through here. I just thought it'd be a nice color to add through there. Oh, that's a little stark. We need to feather it out a little bit so it doesn't look so slapped on. So I don't really want to cover up that pink. I also think I'm going to add just a little bit of it through here to kind of bring it all together a little bit. And there's already a little bit of that color in that green, so I don't think it's going to be too crazy. So I really like the lines that I put in through here and the scratch marks they made with the palette knife. But I'm going to add some black, and I kind of want to go this way, and then we're going to add in some pastels as well. So let me just make some marks through here. I like that. And then I think I just want to do, on this piece of deli paper, I've done 2 colors. So we've got a gold ochre and the raw sienna as well. And I'm just going to put some lines through. Let's try it this way. See if it makes like a difference. It kind of looks the same. I was hoping I'd get like a 2-tone. I guess it's a little 2-toned. I kind of want to bring it up a little bit into this area. I kind of like that effect of it going into that little white area a little bit. And I might want a few over here too, just to sort of balance it out maybe. Yeah. Okay, so let's lay this down and I'm going to make a line, I think just through here. Pretty subtle, but I think it adds something with that purple, and that color through there is really nice. Okay, let's take the tape off. I think this is done. I think we're done with this one for today. Oh, I did learn a little neat trick about taking tape off. If you heat up your tape a little bit with a hairdryer before you remove it, it comes off without ripping the paper. Little helpful tip. Okay. Because we don't like ripped paper. That's no fun. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Let's put a mat on it. Okay, this mat is a little small for what we just made. So this is what it looks like without the mat. And when I put the mat on, it covers up a lot. So I'd probably cut a bigger mat for it. But for this case, we're just going to look at it like this. Okay, here it is, full screen. This is what we're looking at. I love the sky. I kind of wish I would have added a little bit more blue in there, just to make it a little darker. But I've learned that it's not a good idea to go back and try to fix things like that. I'm still working on my skies. They're not perfect yet. I do like the orange. I like the orange that I added in that. That port color is really nice with the pink. Love the marks. Love the granulation and this green down here. That was really cool. And I like the white lines that I put in with the Neocolor ones. I think that's a really cool technique, and I'll definitely keep using that. Yeah, it probably needs a little bit more contrast, but one thing that I've learned is going back and trying to fix watercolor is just a bad idea. So I'm just going to leave it and put down in notes that I need to be more bold with these colors, I think is the thing. It needs to be more paint, and maybe we should go back to spritzing a little bit. But we'll try that tomorrow and see what happens. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know your comments and your thoughts below, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow for another one. Thanks so much. Bye.